guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing my February Boxycharm. Okay, so if you don't know, I'll just give you the rundown. Boxycharm is a $21 beauty subscription service. It comes with 4 to 5 full-size products. It comes to your door every single month. I've never had a problem with them, and I've been getting them for a year and a half. I honestly think it's the best subscription box out there. I did get Ipsy for a while, but I did end up canceling my Ipsy, and I got Boxycharm, and ever since then I've not been able to stop. I get so excited for this. It's like I ordered Christmas for myself every single month, and like on days when it's really rough, because you know you have those rough days, this comes in the mail. It's just like it knows. Boxycharm just knows when life sucks. So without more chit-chatting, let's just hop into the box. So the theme of this month's box is Galaxy Glow, which is pretty cool, and there's the product descriptions on the back here, so we're just going to pop in and pick up the first product, which is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Amethyst. Now, I see spoilers because, you know, so it is a doe foot applicator on here, and this says, it says here that this is multi-use and that is crease proof, and I saw on their Instagram that they also be using this on their lips, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice and iridescent, and it's a really beautiful purple, like lavender purple. I'm so excited to try this, and this retails for $28. Alright, the next product in the box is Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. So this retails for $21. And it says that it's richly pigmented for a smoky eye, jet black definition, pencil point precision, or smudgy color saturation. It is a soft formula that glides into lids without tugging or pulling. And yeah, that actually is really nice and soft, and it gave me some nice pigment. And it is really creamy. Usually with pencils, I'm a little nervous about them because I feel like they do tug more than the mechanical ones. But this is pretty awesome, and I did just declutter my black eyeliner, so I'm always into trying another. And then we're just going to dip in. Oh wait, I dropped one. I'll do the one I dropped. This is the Pure Cosmetics X Fox Lip Plumping Lip Exfoliator. So this is a lip exfoliator with, it's a 4-in-1. It exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. So I guess it just, it just kind of looks like this. Ooh. But I like, it has like little sugars or liquid, whatever it is, to exfoliate your lips in here. This is pretty cool. I like this. And this retails for $17. Alright, next item in the box is these. I knew about these two. I'm gonna make all the noise now. Okay, so this is the Crown Brush Trio. This retails for $29, and they said there's the small brush, which is this one, can be used to conceal underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush, which is this one, is perfect for sculpting at the cheekbones, and this one is to set everything in place. I honestly think this one would be the better one to sculpt out and bronze with, but also I could see this for setting the under eyes actually. This one though is one that I like to blend out concealer with. I see already. I have one that I got off Amazon that I use pretty much every day to blend out my concealer, and it's starting to shed. I've had it for about a year, so this is like a really nice alternative, and these feel really soft, so that's also nice. And yeah, so we got 3 brushes, which is pretty awesome. I love when they include brushes because you can never, like, you always need more brushes. And brushes are expensive, so it's really cool to try brands, and we've gotten Crown brushes in the box before, and I really like them. They definitely have quality, affordable brushes. So this brush set, if I didn't already say it, retails for $30. And the last item in the box I'm actually really excited about because I do see spoilers, and I know you're either going to get the Naked palette, the Naked highlighting palette, or you're going to get this. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Pop-Up Palette Mini and the Blush Gato Refill. It's like a Z palette. It's Ofra's version of a Z palette. It's pretty cool. It opens up really nicely. And I think you could even probably stand it up like this. I may just be making that up. But it looks really nice. And the blush, oh, I thought that when it said blush Gato, like the blush shade was Gato, but it's actually Winter Rose Glow. So it looks like this. And oh my god, I almost dropped that. Oh, and it's a pretty nice like medium rose. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it. As you guys know, I'm not the biggest fan of shimmer, but I will be testing out this product just to give you guys a full review later, but it looks pretty nice over here. So I'm very, very excited for that. The only reason I didn't, and then look at it, I could just stick my Ofra blush into my Ofra palette. This makes me so happy. You always need more empty palettes. At least I do. I just bought a whole bunch of stuff from ColourPop. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it down below. But I got an eyeshadow, and even though it came in a little like compact, I would love to keep it in like a Z palette form. So this is perfect because I actually ran out of my other Z palette. So excited. And the palette itself retails for $19 and the blush retails for $12. So this is awesome. I'm really excited for everything in this box. I was like kind of iffy. I really did like this. Oh, I just can't like get over how beautiful this amethyst is looking. That's going to be beautiful on the eyes. So the total for this month's box is $126.99. So that's awesome. Like I said, you only paid $21 for the box itself. So this is a great deal, and there's some really awesome products. I think the ones I'm most excited for are like the Cover FX and the Ofra palette and blush, because this blush just looks like the most beautiful like shade for coming out of winter. Like I'm ready to put this all over my cheeks and call it a day. But I'm also really excited for the brushes, but I'm just excited for it all. So on my channel I do a Boxycharm product review, so I will have that up in 2 to 3 weeks, just so I can really test these products out and see how I feel about them. So yeah guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and if you got anything different in your Boxycharm, then like leave it in the comments below, because I love to see the variations of Boxycharm. I feel like it just adds to like the whole mystery of it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.